Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this quick and easy everyday makeup. We're gonna start by priming our face, and I'm using Hard Candy Primer Perfecting. Everything's gonna be listed below. Now we're moving on to foundation, and this is gonna be the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. We're gonna go in and use our beauty blender to blend it all in. The trick is to blend it all in. Now I am using my Tarte Shape Tape. I just didn't find my Drugstore brand anywhere, so I just chose this one today. And again, I'm just highlighting in the points where the light hits my face, and I'm also going to blend with my beauty blender. Blending, blending, blending. And we're gonna go in to set our makeup with this e.l.f. loose powder. This is a very good alternative for the Laura Mercier brand, which is amazing, but this one does the job as well. And we're just using that little poof that comes with it and just slowly blending it all in. Then moving on to eyebrows. I'm just gonna get these done off camera real quick since it takes me a little bit longer than usual. Now we're moving on to contour, and we're going to use the Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio, and I'm using my Real Techniques blending brush, and again blending, 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 just going over my contour area, just kind of warming the face up more than anything. It's no serious contour, just kind of warming it up, warming up my nose and my forehead. And then we're gonna move on to blush, and we're using this Milani and Coral Cove number 5. And again, I'm using my Real Techniques brush, my blush brush, just hitting it on the apples of the cheeks. There's that. And then we're moving on to eyeshadow, and I am using another Milani product, and this is the Milani Everyday Eyes on Plum Basics number 4. And I just used the wand palette for this look, so it's pretty simple. Starting with my transition color, the lighter brown on the palette, and just starting on the crease, keeping it on the crease, and then blending it in. And we're gonna go into more of the plum color, and we're gonna deepen up the shade. Gonna speed it up here real quick. So now we're just using again the plum color just to deepen things up, and the trick is to make sure you're blending as much as possible. So just blend, blend, blend away. And then I'm going to use the highlight on the same palette, and I'm just going to use my finger to put it on my center of my eye, on my lid. And then we're going to go back with the same fluffy brush we're using and just kind of continue to blend everything together so it looks nice and blended. Then we're going to go into the lower lash line using a smaller brush, and I am grabbing the brown color I grabbed earlier, my transition color, and then I'm also going to go into the plum color. And now just kind of showing you my NYX pencil. I like pencils for eyeliner, for everyday especially. It's just so much easier to apply, in my opinion. So again, I'm just going and putting a little bit of black eyeliner on the lower lash line as well, and doing a slight tiny little wing, nothing serious. And now going on to mascara, we're going to use the Rimmel Scandal Eyes in Extreme Black. And again, we're starting at the base of the lash and then pulling it all the way up to the end of the lashes. And I'll try to do a couple of coats just to kind of darken things up. And we're going to move on to the lower lash line, and just a little bit, and almost done. Then I'm going to deepen my contour, or just kind of warm up my face a little bit more with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. And I'm going with a fluffier brush just to kind of give it a nice finish. And this is a little bit of a darker tone, and it's very pigmented, so it's a very good product that you can get for very cheap. It's like $3 at Target or Walmart or wherever. All right, moving on to lips. Now I'm grabbing another Milani product, and I'm going to list the name below. First, I'm just lining my lips, and then moving on to the NYX Plush lipstick. It's just a nude color. It's very creamy, very good quality. And again, you can find this in CVS or Ulta. Then I'm going again with another NYX product, and this is going to be the Butter Gloss. And this just gives it a nice little shiny finish. And this is pretty much the final product. Now I'm going to set the makeup with some of the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe. It smells like rose water. It's really, really nice to finish it off. And if you haven't yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.